Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear ones. Hope so you all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty and doing your work in a best way. Students, in our previous lecture we have completed question number 7, 8, 9, 10 of exercise 4b. Now let us see a new concept about relationship between HCF and LCM of two numbers. As you can see here, are the HCF and LCM related in any way? Consider the number 32 and 40 and explore the relation. So we have considered the number 32 and 40. Let us see, calculate the product of 32 and 40. If we multiply 32 and 40, the considered numbers, then the answer is 1280. Now find the HCF and LCM of 32 and 40. You can see that 32 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. You can see that these are the prime factors of 32. Now the prime factors of 40 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. These are also the prime factors of 40. Now students, the HCF of 32 and 40. You can see that the common factors are here 2 and here is also 2 and this 2 is already common. So the common factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, as you can see here, and their product is equal to 8. This is the HCF of 32 and 40, that is 8. Now the LCM of 32 and 40, which is equal to, we can see that the common factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and non-common factors are 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 5. So we can see here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. These are mentioned 3 times as these are common. And non-common factors are 2 times 2 multiplied by 5. So here is mentioned 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and their product is equal to 160. So students, highest common factor of 32 and 40 is 8 and least common factor of 32 and 40 is equal to 160. If we find the product of HCF and LCM, then the product is equal to 1280. That is exactly same as we have just above calculated. That is also 1280. So this proves that the product of two numbers equals the product of their HCF and LCM. It means if we multiply any two numbers, then their product will be equals to the product of HCF and LCM. Students, the result of relationship between HCF and LCM of two numbers can be written as product of two numbers is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF, or first number multiplied by second number is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. So by using this formula, we can solve all next questions 11 to 14. Now here you can see an example number 18. The LCM of two numbers is 160 and their HCF is 8. One of the numbers is 32. Find the other number. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज गिवन, डेट इज़ 160 और HCF भी गिवन है, वो है 8 और one number is also provided, that is 32. We have to find the other number. Let's move towards the solution. That is, product of two numbers is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF of those two numbers, and also LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to, as we know that LCM is equal to 160 and HCF is equal to 8, so product of LCM and HCF is equal to 1280. Now the one number that is given in the question is 32 and also we have to find the second number. In order to find second number, divide this value 1280 to 32 and the answer will be 40. That is the second number. Students, do yourself example number 19. Here is question number 11, that is the product of two numbers is 3000. If their HCF is 10, find their LCM. Student, कोई से भी दो नंबर जिनका प्रोडक्ट 3000 है, अगर HCF 10 है, so हमें फाइंड करना है LCM. Now students, here is the solution and you can see that the product of two numbers is equal to 3000 as it is already given in the question, and HCF is equal to 10. We have to find LCM, least common multiple. So the formula is product of two numbers is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. We know that product of two numbers is equal to 3000, so 3000 is here and we have to find least common multiple. It will remain same. Multiply by highest common factor is 10. So let's simplify it. 3000, the value 10 is multiplying here and at this side it will divide. 0 will be cancelled by this 0 and 300 will be the remaining answer of least common multiple. So students, 300 is the least common multiple. Now question number 12 is the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 1760 and 32 respectively. If one of the numbers is 160, find the other. स्टूडेंट्स इस क्वेश्चन में एलसीएम हमारे पास गिवन है 1760 एंड एचसीएफ भी गिवन है वो है 32 और वन नंबर इज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड दैट इज 160. सो हमें सेकेंड नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट्स फाइंड. Now here is the solution and you can see that least common multiple is equal to 1760 and highest common factor HCF is equal to 32 and first number is provided that is 160. We have to find the second number. So how we can find it? We know that the formula for finding the second number is first number multiplied by second number is equal to LCM multiplied by ACF. Student, the value of first number is 160 and we have to find the value of second number and LCM is equal to 1760 and ACF is equal to 32. So by multiplying the answer is 56,320 and 160 will remain same and also second number that we have to find. Now 160 that is multiplying here will be divided at this side. So by moving to the right side, 56,320 divided by 160. If we divide this value, let's see here how we can divide it. 0 will be cancelled here. Now divide 5,632 by 16. Let's divide. Students, here you can see that the dividend 5,632 and divisor is 16. So 16 3s are 48. After subtraction the answer is 8 and 3 will be here and 16 5s are 80 and after subtraction 3 is here and 2 will also here. Now 16 2s are 32 and it is completely divisible. So the answer is 352. It means the second number is 352. If one of the number is 160, then the second number will be 352 as we have find it. Now students, question number 13 is the product of two numbers is 2400. If their LCM is 120, find their HCF. स्टूडेंट्स कोई से भी दो नंबर जिनका प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास गिवन है 2400, अगर LCM 120 है तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. Students, here you can see the solution. As it is mentioned, product of two numbers is equal to 2400 and LCM is equal to 120. HCF we have to find. So again, as the product of two numbers is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF, we know that the product of two numbers is equal to 2400 and LCM is equal to 120 and HCF we have to find. So now 120 is multiplying here. If I move it from right hand side to left hand side, means one side to another side, then it will divide here. So 2400 divided by 120, 0 will be cancelled from this 0 and we can see that 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24 and 0 will be as it is here. It means HCF is equal to 20. So 20 is the required HCF. Question number 14 is obtain two numbers such that their HCF is 20 and their LCM is 300. स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में अब हमें टू नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं और HCF 20 है और LCM 300 गिवन है. Now here you can see the solution. Least common multiple LCM is equal to 300 and highest common factor is equal to HCF is equal to 20. We have to find the product of two numbers and also we have to find that two numbers. So students, you can see that the prime factors of 300 are mentioned here. 2 ones are 2, 1 will be here and 2 5s are 10 and 0 will be as it is. 2 7s are 14, 1 will be here, it would become 10 and 2 5s are 10. Now 3 2s are 6, 1 will be here, it would become 15, 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. These are the prime factors of 300. Now you can see here the prime factors of 20, 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is, or we can say it as 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now I have mentioned here LCM is equal to, the prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5. And for the number 20, HCF is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now we have to find the common factors. You can see here the common factor is just 2, 2 and 5. It means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now how we can find the first number and second number? Students, here you can see that the first number and second number. First of all, we will write the common factors in both cases. In first case means in first number 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, that are the common factors I have mentioned here. And also the common factors I have mentioned to find second number, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now the remaining number is 3 and 5. One we can write here and the second one in the second number. So first number is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3, and the answer is 60. Second number is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and the answer is 100. So students, the numbers are 60 and 100. It means the product of two numbers is equal to 20 multiplied by 300, and these numbers can also be mentioned. Students, to practice of question number 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.